Hey guys, I'm Passion Queen Raj and today I am in my nearby park and this is just full of greenery and so let's have some best looks of these greeneries. So let's get started. So guys, I just hope that you loved it and of course this is of nature and it always refreshes us. Just by pics we find that we are refreshed but of course safe distance is important and mask is important. So always remember the protocols and of course this was all about today's video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.